Here in this video we will learn how to add footer in our Microsoft Word document. So first of all we will go to insert tab and then we'll go to footer option. There we have many templates and formats to add a footer. First we will use this one, and here we added the footer. We can also change its format according to our need, and so as you can see we have added the footers in our document. Again, if we want to remove the footers, again go to insert tab and click on footer and remove footer, and our document will be back to its original. If someone want to add another template, again go to insert tab, click on footer, and this time we will choose this one, and there we have option to add a different name. So we added the first name. If we want to put another name, we can do that to session 1. And if you want to remove this, just delete this thing. And again, if you double click on the page, we can see that we added the footers in our document. So in the next videos, we will learn how to add a different footers on a different number of pages. Thank you.